If you're preparing for the SAT and you're tired of guessing what to study or whether your prep is actually working, this channel is for you. Most students don't struggle because they aren't capable. They struggle because SAT prep is scattered. It feels random, random practice questions, random strategies. There's no clear plan to help you get from where you are to the score you want. My name is Stephen Johnson, and everything I teach is built around one idea. SAT improvement works best when it's structured. No matter how a student works with me, whether it's through my free videos, monthly prep, or premium programs, the core value is all the same. I provide a clear system that tells you what to study, when to study it, and how to improve efficiently. That system has helped hundreds of students earn their goal scores, whether that be a score in the 1200s, 1300s, 1400s, and beyond. They all followed a plan specific to their goal. If you'd like to sample my teaching style, start with the thousands of free resources on my channel below. If you want a complete plan for your next SAT, you'll see options in the video descriptions and the channel description that take you deeper. Either way, you're in the right place.